Great day, second grade families. It's Mr. Sargent here with your weekly newsletter for the week of March 20th through March 24th. And by goodness, do we have a lot to talk about this week. So I'm going to get right to it and not waste any more time. Now, on March 24th, we will be celebrating the end of the third quarter. It's hard to believe that this year is 3/4 of the way through with only the fourth quarter left. So on Friday, we will be having a half day or early dismissal at 12 o'clock sharp. So ladies and gentlemen, plan accordingly, and we look forward to seeing you on that half day and you enjoying your weekend, because also on the 27th, there is no school for students. So it's another long weekend for our scholars and our families out there. So enjoy your long weekend. Also on Friday, March 24th, we will be starting our parent-teacher conferences. Now, this is a great way to catch up on all of our scholar success and see how we can work together for that final push for the rest of the year. Now, if you've already signed up, we cannot wait to see all of you. Now, if you haven't signed up yet, the link is on Class Dojo. It's from a message from Miss Daniels. Please feel free to sign up for those. Now, unlike last time, this round of parent-teacher conferences will be group. So we will have me, Miss Lewis, and Miss Daniels all there to talk about our scholar success. Now, if we can't make it Friday, which I believe all the times are filled, you can sign up for Monday as well. That'll be March 27th. Now, the times are filling up quickly, so please, if you want a parent-teacher conference, please sign up then. Now, we will also be conducting phone conferences as well as Zoom. Just specify what kind of conference you would like, and we can accommodate. Together, we can gain success and end this year strong. All right. Also, starting March 28th, which is, I know, a week away, but still, I want to have that in the back of our mind. We will be celebrating our book fair. It's a great time to share the love of reading, to get new books, and just to see what they have. Now, this will be March 28th through the 31st. I believe we're going to have a parents' night on the 30th, so please check your Class Dojo for any further news about the book fair. Also, March 30th, if you want to mark your calendars, we will have our third quarter awards day. Now, this is a time to celebrate the scholars. And for kindergarten through second grade, it will begin at 8:30 sharp in the gymnasium. We cannot wait to see everyone and celebrate our scholars' success and all the hard work they put in the third quarter. Also, report cards will be coming out the 31st. So be prepared for all of that. Woo, that was a lot of school news, and I'm sure I missed something. So if I did miss something, make sure that you are keeping an eye on Class Dojo and all of the news that the school is pushing out of things that we are doing as we end this year, as we finish strong, and as we prepare for greatness in second grade and here at GPA. So let's go ahead and start talking about what we're doing this week in second grade. First things first, in ELA, it's week 21. Wow, week 21 of our spelling words. Now, in week 21, we're going to be having the suffix, which goes at the end of ES. Now, many times this will be talking about plurals. Now, a plural is something that means more than one. All right. So as you see some of these words, and I believe almost all of the words, and definitely 1 through 11, have the ES at the end of the words. So I look forward to seeing how you do this week. So let's go over the words real quick. Number 1, boxes. Number 2, foxes. Number 3, messes. Number 4, dishes. Number 5, couches. Number 6, brushes. Number 7, bushes. Number 8, rushes. Number 9, wishes. Number 10, washes. Number 11, dishes. Now, if you look, 1 through 11 all have that pattern ES at the end of the word, which means more than one. It's going to be a plural, okay? So we got number 12 is find. Number 13 is whole. Number 14 is fear. Number 15 is fair. And number 16 is flutter. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you will receive your spelling packets on Monday, which could be tomorrow, could be today, depending on when you're watching this video. This will be due on Friday, but on the half day. But if you're not going to be here, you may want to turn it in early. That way we get credit towards the end of the quarter, since the quarter ends on Friday, okay? Also in ELA, you're going to be starting Module 4, which I am super excited for you. You're going to be starting to read and learn about eating healthy. Listen, eating healthy is probably one of the most important things that we do. So in ELA, you're going to be getting to read stories. You're going to be learning about why we want to eat healthy, and you're going to get to learn about the different systems of the body that are contributed to you eating healthy, and they actually work because you eat healthy. So I'm super excited for each and every one of you to be exploring the world of eating healthy in ELA. Good luck and have some fun with it. In math, the incredible Miss Lewis's class is going to be focusing on multiplication. Now, if you remember from last week's video, all multiplication is repeated addition. So if we have 4 times 4, that means it's 4 groups of 4. So if we count by 4s, 4, 8, 12, 16. So that's 4 groups of 4. So 4 times 4 is going to be 16. All right. Now, all throughout the week, you're going to be working on different strategies and different ways to solve multiplication problems. And like I said, if you ever need help, identify the problem, and then we can look for a solution for the problem. And definitely, if you need some more help, ask somebody for help. We're more than willing to help all of you out. All right. In science, we are going to continue focusing on states of matter. There we go, right there, states of matter. Now, we've already learned about liquid, solids, and gases. Now, what we're going to be doing this week is we're going to be learning about how, through heat and through heat transfer, which we also know, conduction, convection, and radiation, how a solid becomes a liquid, how a solid becomes a gas, and how a liquid becomes a solid, and how a liquid becomes a gas. All these different transitions. We're going to be conducting some more experiments on how we use heat energy to change all of these things to create something entirely new. Super excited to do this next week, and I cannot wait to teach each and every one of you. All right. I believe that is it for this week. So I want to thank all of you who are out there watching, keeping track, keeping the communication open. We couldn't do all of this without each and every one of you, and I just wanted to thank you. Students out there, you are all incredible. Thank you for continuing to watch these and caring enough to prepare for the upcoming week. And parents out there, seriously, words cannot express how much we here at GPA, and especially the second grade team, appreciate every single one of you. We couldn't do what we do without your support of your scholars and your support of us. So once again, thank each and every one of you. I hope you have a great rest of your weekend, and I cannot wait to see each and every one of you here on Monday morning.